How to DocuSign a PDF on iPhone. DocuSigning a PDF or any other document on iPhone is also fairly simple. For this, all you have to do is simply download the DocuSign app from your App Store or Play Store if you're using on Android as well. Open it up and log into your account. You can create a free account, no need to pay for it, because signing a PDF or DocuSigning it is completely free and completely free of cost. So here you can see it says signed document and signing is free. Tap on the signed document button. Then all you have to do from here is select scan photos, templates, files, emails, or whatever else it is. So you can tap on the photos option here instead and simply select the document that you'd like to DocuSign or DocuSign it. And after that, just tap on the next option, and as you tap on the next option from here, you should be able to go ahead and then basically create your initials, add your document over here, and once you add your document, which means your digital signature here, this signature will be added to your document. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.